So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So now in order to add the vignette to an image, make sure to select the layer and then go to Pixel, New Live Filter Layer, and then Colors, and then select Vignette. I'm going to move the live vignette window to the right so we can see the effect. So here the exposure, for example, if you increase it, it will brighten it. So here it is. So we just need to decrease it to have the darker areas here on the edges as a vignette. So the hardness, if you increase too much, as you can see, the edges are not blurred. The more you decrease it, the more it is blurred. So the scale here is going to either increase the effect here or decrease it. So here it is. And here for the shape, as you can see, it is rounded. The more I decrease it, the more, as you can see, it is closing from the top and bottom, kind of an eye. It's making the shape of an eye. So here it is. So now I'm just going to fix my vignette here. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So I can also, for example, decrease the opacity here, or even change the blend mode. So I'm going to leave it here. And for example, you can also merge it with the layer, delete it or reset. I'm just going to click on the X here to exit. So this is the live filter vignette. So now, for example, if I left click on it, I can adjust it again. So here it is. Or for example, the scale. So I'm just going to leave it here.